In this quick demo, I'll introduce you to Kurator, your AI-powered assistant. Kurator helps you save, organize, and comment on the links you collect, apply AI-powered custom prompts, and instantly publish your collections to your website and your chatbot. Let's take a look to see how it works. Kurator is a Chromium browser extension. After you install it in your browser, you can access it by clicking on the Kurator icon that appears in your toolbar. To save any page, you simply click on the Kurator icon. It will scrape information off of the page. It will allow you to save the content in the collection of your choice, edit the headline. You can now scan for images and add the appropriate image in there. And then you can use AI-powered prompts. And since this is a product page, I'm going to use my product prompt and click on the OpenAI icon. And this will then look at the content of this page and generate a summary based on the prompt that I have created and copy that directly into my content summary, as you can see over here. Then I can add the publisher. Sometimes websites add this automatically, depends on how they've added their meta information. And I can then put in SEO tool and maybe research, keyword research, and any kind of a tag that will help me identify this content and quickly sort it and find it. It will also help me with publishing, and we will get into that later. So now I simply create it, and it's going to save this post along with the AI summary in my Kurator app. All of your saved links will appear in the Kurator app. I pin it to my browser so it's always easily accessible. And once I save it, I can now very quickly and easily edit it. For example, I'm not happy with this image. I could actually upload images. I can say similar web.jpg. I know I have this image in there. I can upload it and replace it with the image that I have in here. As you can see, I can also edit now my content tags. Maybe this is not an SEO tool, but an analytics tool, and save the results. So it's very easy for me to organize and manage this content. If I wanted to see what other analytics tool I have in here, I can quickly click on the tags or search for them from the filter. I can also do a global search. I can say, okay, show me anything that has analytics in there, and it's going to search all of my collections and show me where the content tag analytics appears. You can manage your OpenAI tags by clicking on your username and then accessing the OpenAI menu. You can see over here that you can add new ones. You can also modify the ones that you have. Here you can see the different prompts that I have for my OpenAI, and the ones that you add in here are then accessible through the pop-up. So for different types of content, you can apply different prompts to save the summaries, notes, or whatever your intention may be. For publishing your content, we have two different solutions. One is to create a file and attach folders under the export files module. And from here, you can export and sync these files with your chatbot, or manually export them and upload them to our KBucket plugin. You could also add collections to the published collections, and from here, you can select the theme. We have card, carousel, and grid format. And then you can actually choose what you want to publish here. So for example, if I just wanted to publish everything with OpenAI, I simply just select that filter. And from here, if it's YouTube videos, I'll do the YouTube embed. If I want the mix of collections, I use the card embed and then add that to my website. And you will then get your published content directly on your website. So for example, these are my Kurator demos. You can see there are YouTube embeds, and when I click on them, it's actually going to play the video directly on my site. As soon as I add new content to my Kurator publishing collections, it will automatically publish them here to my website. The content you collect and publish with Kurator will also power our KChat chatbot, creating a conversational interface to the content that you want to share and publish. For example, I can ask my chatbot, how can I get started with Kurator? And it's going to take a look at the summary that I have stored with my Kurator video and provide an answer, which gives you step by step on how to get started, and then a link to the video Kurator getting started. You can see that the answers are generated from the content here. You can then play the video, and this video is published using our KBucket plugin. It's a custom plugin for WordPress websites. You can lead the source link from KChat to the KBucket landing page, or you can go directly to the source of the content. There are much more capabilities with Kurator, like generating custom RSS feeds or citation links. Please visit our website, get a copy, give it a try, and see what the possibilities are.